Unboxing idioms. Fly off the shelves, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets behind its idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very popular phrase that you might have heard in conversations or seen in marketing ads: fly off the shelves. This idiom paints a vivid picture in our minds, but what does it actually mean? Let's unfold its meaning together and learn how to use it in our daily conversations. The phrase, fly off the shelves, is used to describe a situation where a product sells very quickly and in large quantities. It gives the imagery of items being so in demand that they seem to literally fly off the shelves where they are displayed. This idiom is often used to indicate that something is extremely popular or sought after by consumers. It's a positive indication of a product's success in the market. While the exact origin of this idiom is a bit murky, it's widely agreed that it comes from the retail and consumer goods industry. The phrase likely started being used in the early 20th century, a time when mass production and consumerism began to take off. It visually represents the idea of products being sold so fast that they appear to be flying, emphasizing their popularity and the speed of sales. To help you understand how to use fly off the shelves in your daily English conversations or writings, let's look at some examples. The new video game was so popular that it flew off the shelves within the first week of its release. Manufacturers were surprised by how quickly the limited edition sneakers flew off the shelves. As soon as the holiday season starts, you can expect the latest toys to fly off the shelves. These examples show that you can use the phrase to talk about any product or item that sells out quickly due to its popularity. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, fly off the shelves, is a colorful way to describe something that sells very quickly and in large quantities. It's a testament to a product's appeal and success in the market. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a new idiom to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is a window to culture, and idioms like these bring flavor to our conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting aspects of the English language together in our next video. Happy learning!